going on, YouTube? Back with another video here in Lynwood, Illinois. I'm here with your girl,
Justin GC.
Yeah, we're here for the 3rd annual Midwest Connection Card Show. Shout out to the Robinson boys. They definitely put on another amazing show this year. So they got a little bit of everything. Lowriders, old schools, new schools, trucks, lifted trucks, you name it, classics. They got a little bit of everything. We didn't have some good food, networked with a couple people that we didn't see, and made new connections, people we've never met. But yeah, let's jump straight in. So it's a bunch of music playing. So throughout this video, I'm gonna try my hardest to talk over it. But yeah, it's been loud. So if you can't hear me, I don't know what to tell you. Right. Bad talk. Every lip is crazy. She feeling it. This one clean. I like the granddaddy clean joint. He got the cities in there, boy. These niggas don't know nothing about it. Records. Everybody want to ride a dunk. This boy, this clean, boy.
They do on the she's no rich, no shame. I like to say, but it's more about respect. They give me a set, they gon' got some game. Right on my check when I walk in the bank, they bring me in the door by my government name. I make a promise, I'm never gonna change.
I don't want to cuss.
Y'all read the plates, man.
You got it all over.
Yeah.
Look like you over there taking notes, Montreal.
That boy Chevy thing clean, boy.
All out of red, man. Red is all out of red, man. I was saying he done brought me a speedy, man. I was gonna say, oh man, we finna fight right away. You be clowning on Facebook, man. I see Lil Mama got hers though. Hey cutie, your daddy about to get it, man. Yeah, you looking at how I'm looking at him right now. I'm with you. Tell him we gonna get it together, we gonna get him, girl.
Now I found my favorite one of the show, because everybody know I love lowriders, but it's not one of my personal favorite colors, but I gotta give credit to where credit is due.
Killing them.
Fucking hydros were on Waukegan. The car was made, restored in the middle of Chicago, Pulaski and Archer.
All the details, crazy. Fuck with it. He said George's gonna be a pickup.
Sure bet.
Man, the detail on this is crazy. my man. What we looking at? What we looking at?
Oh, so this is 1964 Chevy Impala Super Sport.
Okay.
We call it Blue Dream 64.
Okay.
Had it for 8 years now from the south side. Started off, it was black. The guy that painted it was from Texas, Michael Secato. Hydro's done in Waukegan.
Okay, then.
Engine was done in Montoya's Customs. And then the car was actually restored in the Chisos Customs on our trip, Pulaski. So all Chicago here.
Okay, then.
My name's Javier Zamora. So
Hey,
this
walk
is
me
my car.
through and show me what the people looking at. What we got here?
This is a gravity fed setup, 2-tank setup, three motors, 3 pumps, 4 dumps. So you can go front, back, and 3 wheel on each side. Got 4 switches and 8
Damn.
batteries to power everything up.
I love how clean it look. I love the attention to detail and everything. You got the detail. You got a little detail. Can't get the undercarriage. Like, got the wheels. Now, about how long did it take to get all of the etching done?
Well, we've been
For the whole
working
car?
on it for 8 years. So the good thing is we have winter. In winter, we'll break everything down, send it out to get chrome or engraved. All the engraving's done by hand.
That's nuts.
So you gotta
man.
pick the right artist or the person that's gonna engrave it.
Right.
Because everything has to stay consistent.
Yes, sir.
So all the engraving could be the same.
And he has engraving everywhere. Like a lot of people don't even peep. He has it on the inside. Like this is crazy. He got it everywhere. Trim and everything. So yeah, this is crazy. It's crazy.
Yeah, I got it up. I'll move it around for you in a bit if you want.
Yeah. Go ahead and move it around for him. I'll record it. Angie's over there networking. I'm gonna walk through and show y'all a little bit more what we got going on here at the show.
That nigga, I'm good to show him that I'm on it, and he'll never keep his hoe back on the
Fuck my hoe, fuck that bitch. I don't give a fuck about none of this shit. Leave me alone, don't take my phone. It is what it is, I'm on what you on.
Fuck my nigga, he ain't shit. Boy ain't good for number dick. Plotting like you wish your nigga. Pussy boy, you with that bitch.
Fuck my hoe, fuck that bitch. I don't give a fuck about none of this shit. Leave me alone, don't take my phone. It is what it is, I'm on what you on.
Fuck my nigga, he ain't shit. Boy ain't good for number dick. Plotting like you wish your nigga. Pussy boy, you with that bitch.
Every city across America is feeling the effects of the recession. The American people are looking for a sign of change.
There we go. I like this.
That is nice.
See that squat?
I ain't see this one.
I see you over there working and networking.
You see it?
Yeah, I see you. Yeah, we going out to the Super Show, Lowrider Super Show in Vegas, September 30th. Gorgeous. I like that orange interior.
It goes with the exterior.
You kind of orange. Now that you got a suntan. I'm just playing. That's 71 clean. I've been wanting to see this donk for the longest.
This one?
Yes, this is the first time I've seen it, and I'm sorry it's on a trailer, but I'm glad I get to see it. This is one of my top favorites. It's a 71 Impala, and those are 28s. It's got the matching steering wheel.
It's a nice size.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite ones. She said, ooh. Man, good stuff. That's right up your alley. The
I like the back wheel,
C10.
though. I need the lip to be a lot of bit bigger.
A lot of it big.
I took up the porch, speak first. Before I eat, I gotta get geek first. They told us we didn't smile or growing up. I told them go do your research. They call on the
This thing clean. Like this. Simple and clean, but that shit nice. And this sun killing me with the shadows, but I might have to walk against the sun so I can see stuff better. Rock some forges. Love these G20 vans. Sitting up too. Got the lightning. I don't even like Fords like that, but I'm messing with the lightning. She's back! And she brought water. Gracias.
H2O.
Black and red, boy. And it's a sad step, too. Broncos. He's running, boy. Both of these is running.
The real purple. That's purple. They all got some. Controls in my car.
They all got them big waffles on top of the engine. Yeah. What he say? What he call it? The waffles. What do you call it? The waffles? Stitch by Slick? You call it the waffles? You got the waffles sitting on top of the engine? What you think about them?
Huh?
What you think about them? Them wheels.
I like them, but not on this car.
You like them? Ew.
I like it, you.
I mean, they cool or whatever.
I mean, not
That thing shopping. saw him at Midwest Fest last year. He had wheels on it.
Those are not the wheels we had, right?
Nah.
Looks like a Dewey the way it's sitting.
It is a Dewey.
Is it? Oh, I guess right. It's just sitting low, right?
Yeah, they lowered it.
I actually like that.
Work. Bro, they all need like little pieces. You pay like $100 each for each piece. Do let them go for $50.
Racing gas.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
On this?
She said on this?
That's not a bad thing.
Truck by Ken.
Do it, baby.
Hey, I followed this man on Instagram for about 8 or 9 years before I even had existence on social media. This dude, he an OG legend from Chi-Town. He been flipping trucks before my kids was born.
Hey, we got this whole lineup right here too. All trucks like you.
Hey, if y'all don't know, follow my man, Trust by Ken. He probably don't even know who I am, do you? SolidWhipz.
Look, mama. Yeah.
Hey, look. Now he know who I am.
SolidWhipz, baby.
Hey. I like black and red, as everybody know. And he's sitting on forges with the wheelwood.
Both sides. He works both sides.
Red interior, pick that up. I definitely want to do one. I want to do a black and red one. I want a little bit of a lighter red shade for the interior. And on the wheels, I want a full red, but I want it like a brush red with a black lid.
I don't want this on it either.
Nah, I'm on a black lid. Yeah, I like this. Hey, the LS Monte Carlos don't get enough love. But these things be clean. Yeah, I do T-top, but the LS is clean. Oh, my bad. That blue?
Yeah.
What about this Regal? His hood. That's the red eye style hood. The red eye Charger, they got the vents on the side like that. The Volanos. That's how you know you're from Chicago, because Volanos is big in Chicago. Kind of like Savini big in Naptown. That's a Volano big in Chicago. Oh, the Brutus wheel, yeah.
I said it, bro. Is there a
High five. Look, this big. Yeah, this one of her favorite. This her favorite.
Never say it all soft, never.
Hold on, guys. I gotta take a picture of this real quick. Swift custom wheels with the Grand National. I don't like BMWs, but this one's cool.
It's different.
It's cool.
Don't front.
Nah, it's cool or whatever.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, you good? Yeah, you go ahead. Go ahead.
Connection 3. Trophies for the top best of 3. First place, $500 cash prize. Second place, $250 cash prize. Third place, $125 cash prize. We got trophies for best van, best SUV, best lowrider, best BOP, best Jeep, best Chevelle, best hard top dump.
Hey, y'all check out my man's car show.
Best G-body, best
going down September 10th, Louisville, Kentucky, 502 Whips.
Best female core, best interior, best paint, best motor, best bubble, best pickup, best Ford, best two-door box Chevy, best four-door box Chevy, best three-wheel truck, best bagger, best Cadillac.
I'm trying to be like you, but I got to be.
Man, that sounds good.
It does. That's why you can't do these vacuum cleaner cars.
No, I can't.
No.
'69 Chevelle on Ruchis. So what's your favorite one you done seen so far?
I can't make that decision right now.
You ain't seen them all yet?
No. Because that lowrider is taking the cake.
But
This
box Chevy right here is something crazy. Every year I end up missing it. I end up missing it because
you got it this year, right?
just now, even though my boy in the way. Yeah, this thing crazy. This thing crazy. 502 Whips.
What's up?
When's your show?
September the 10th.
Okay.
On a Sunday. Make sure
Okay.
all you motherfuckers be at. I don't know if you cuss on your channel. But I'm about to go in because it's going to be this. I'm about to get, hold on. Wait a minute. Because I got the coldest fly out of everybody.
Boom. Y'all see that?
Y'all see that?
September 10th.
Hey, all the info. All the
Everybody.
info.
Y'all see who sponsored me and I ain't nobody.
Hey, Morgiato.
Hey, go
Make sure
ahead.
y'all be there.
September
'Cause we
10th,
gonna
look.
have hot rides.
Look, September
rat
10th,
rides.
I'm gonna be there. So, like you said, I'm gonna need all y'all motherfuckers to show up.
Yeah.
Cause we gonna be live, we gonna have the cameras out, good
Hey,
food, good vibes. Hey, this gonna be our first time in Louisville, so you better show us.
You ain't been there?
No, I ain't been.
I thought you came.
Nope.
There ain't nothing to do there.
We ain't never been.
Hold on. Wait a minute. It ain't nothing to do there, but it's something to do there. That's why I'm moving out there.
This guy.
I've been there 33 years, bro. It's time to go.
Sound
But
like
it's
Cincinnati.
about to be something to do because when we get this car show cracking
Yes,
every
sir.
year.
Yeah, it's gonna be annual.
And then I'm going to give y'all a sneak peek. It's going to be F bodies versus Fox bodies coming soon.
Stop playing. Cause I'm team F body.
I'm F body too, bro. 4th gen, baby.
4th gen. Hey. September 10th.
September 10th. Make sure y'all be there for real, though.
Lock in.
It mean the world to me if everybody
Most
shows
definitely.
up.
Most definitely. All right, now this one I like right here. Got that Whipple on the V with the soft tire in the rear. I would love to see how this one sound, cause this one is, man. I take this over a Hellcat.
What?
I would take this over a Hellcat. I'm so serious.
Really?
I get to ride in luxury and tear niggas up on the back. Come on, I'll take that over a Hellcat any day.
I'm shocked.
And I'll leave it just like that too.
It is. The black does look nice. And it's got the red category.
This is something that you don't see every day. You said they look like beehives? What is it called? The Beyonce wheel?
No, it's not. Is it really?
I like the interior though. That's clean. It's a little pea green. Something different. You don't ever really see that color.
And it's clean. It's not clean.
It is clean. It is clean. Got the Hellcat Durango on the Bolanos. I'm gonna start calling them the Chicago wheel. I like this. Look, 70. This is a 71. Yeah. On the Bullet Specialties.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yay!
This Camaro clean too.
I like the Camaro with this hood. I like this hood.
What hood do you not like? Yeah, it's called the cow hood. That's a good question. That's a homework. That's a homework assignment.
Hood?
Yes, COWL, cow hood.
No, I thought you meant like move.
No, not that she said. I thought you meant move. I know I'd be having a little accent sometimes, but damn, son. Man, I love this box, man. This thing's clean.
Now you get a picture, though.
Yeah. What you doing?
I like glass on my foot.
Them boys acting up. The color blue starting to grow on me. Nah, I said if he had red interior on this one, it would have killed him. This one clean.
Then he got the red headliner. Why would he do red?
I don't know, but he would have killed him.
Yeah, he would.
Wait till that SolidWhipz Tahoe drop. Oh, I can't wait. Got the 28s tucked up under that. Hell boy. Look at that. Look at the ground. Camaro Vert on 34-inch Forgiatos.
His wheels are actually sitting right. They're not like bleeding and shit.
I would ride it just like this because it's black and red. 34.
I can actually jump up on this one.
Want to do one? 34s?
You know, if you do it, I would do it.
Look at that. Stay next to that wheel. Stay next to that. Yeah, we go. Yeah, we know. Oh, we know. Oh, we know.
Shut up.
Money on my head, I double that and put that back on your little bitch ass. Took the transfer in the truck, the car can't get gas. Don't make them still a 10, I can't believe it, look on the man. 20 on the red, I can't believe it, car go this fast. Soon as they see that shit.
This got your name written all over it. This got your name written all over it. And it's white and black, so it matches your fit. What size is these? 8s?
28, yep.
Yup, 28. Hey. What they say? They starting to load up. They sure did with the remix. Can't wait to see the new wheels. Little boy gonna break something again.
First one. Next year it's going down July 20th, 2024, from 2 p.m. to 9 p.m. Cincinnati, Ohio. SolidWhipz Summer Showdown.
We gonna need another sticker next to that one.
Check out the signs.
Watch how you stick, you can bury your stones. Boy, I got M's and I slept on the couch. Ain't got a body, got hair in her mouth. My budget for me and the killers is out. I get my teeth from the mouth of the south. Got the location, you not in your house. Had to refill the head past in your mouth. I know you broken and froze your account. Feel like a goofy promoting the clown. I told my lawyer I'm sober now. Run up a check cause I'm older now. Got who we want so it's over now. How you slide but ain't nobody vouch. Counterfeit money ain't nobody count. How you think I got 200 pounds? 50, 50, 50, 200 pounds.
It's a video.
Standing over him now. I'm so high off this X feel. I don't get no fuck how my ex feel. Your new nigga ain't put you on no jet.
Ooh. Really? Jared with the Jeep SRT8 on the Ruchis.
I'm just kidding.
Hey, chill out, chill out. My boy, his steering wheel crazy. He beating too.
Oh, I never saw the back of it.
He beating too. Got the Hellcat crafted hood on this with the 32s. He puts this on the highway. I'll give him that. Even with it being on 32s, he puts it on the highway. He be riding.
Hey, that interior is nice.
You like it? Is it Angie approved?
Yes, it is.
Is Angie approved?
I like everything. I think you're more picky.
Yeah, you peep his license plate. I'm on my way to smash your chick. Then we got the box Chevy over here. It's called Bread Box. Stunner Reese giving it away. Drawing it will be live tomorrow. So any last minute tickets, go ahead and tap in and get that. Now that you've seen everything, what was your favorite?
I think it's that. Where's it at? It's a great pickup truck. It has the big lip in the back. You remember?
The gray Chevy Silverado.
Yes.
That was your favorite?
One of my favorites.
I want the favorite.
So many of them.
Okay, so favorite truck is that one. Favorite car?
Favorite car. Why you put me on the lowrider? Hands down.
64?
Yeah, hands down.
All right, well, we agree on that one. The lowrider 64, that's my best to show. That's my favorite one. As far as car. Truck. Honestly, believe it or not, my favorite, and it's cool. My favorite truck is this one. This one, the Ram. It's Cincinnati made on Forgiatos, and I actually want a Ram. I want to make a cat Ram. So my favorite truck is the Ram lifted. Favorite car would be the '64 Impala. So, but yep, another one in the books. We came, we saw, we conquered. We saw people get knocked out. We ate some good food. It was a good vibe. So, another one for the books. Appreciate all the love. Lynwood, aka Chicago, they up here cutting their ass, boy. But
Hey, we gonna do the same thing. No moving.
I already know it. Like I said, appreciate the love and support always. Be sure to subscribe, drop a like, let us know what was your favorite car that you saw in the video. Be sure to turn on the notification bell to stay up to date because we will be hitting a lot of car shows over the next course of a few weeks. Busy. So you want to stay in tune on the next vlogs or whatever. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, like us on Facebook, SolidWhipz, Twitter, everything. And send us an email if you want to get your canvas shots, collages done, solidwhipz@gmail.com. But until the next one, much love.
Peace out, Chi-Town.